Hello friends! Recently, one car owner had a problem with the radiator cooling fan. Then, the ventilator has remained permanently on. The principle of operating of the fan is to cool the radiator fluid at a temperature of 80-90 degrees. That is, the ventilator works when the temperature of the liquid is high and it needs to be cooled. But in our case, the ventilator worked at any temperature and did not turn off. Then, having turned to the masters, he was advised to change the thermostat, same incomprehensible relay, and same sensors. Friends, there's an arrow on the instrument panel indicating the temperature of the liquid. When the arrow rises to a temperature of 80 to 90 degrees, then the fan for cooling the liquid starts up. On my panel, it shows 40 degrees. This means that the ventilator is not working yet. When the temperature hangs to the operating temperature of the engine, then the fan will turn on. It means that the reason was the following. Here on the pump, there's a temperature sensor, which is connected to the fan of cooling the liquid. When the temperature of the fluid rises, it detects this and sends information to the engine echo. And after that, the ventilator starts up. In our case, this temperature sensor is subject to replacement. You can even just check, take a new sensor, remove the old sensor chip and install it to the new one. And warm up the new sensor with the lighter. And terribly check the operating of the fan. Then, cool in a glass of water, stop the ventilator. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.